What's up, Coinski crew? It's Phomophobe here, and I'm going to do some TA on Quant token. I'm going to try and keep you guys up to date because we put a trade signal out on Quant at 106, and we've been trading in a very narrow channel for the last 14 days. So let's take a look and see if we are on the right track with this trade. I'm going to start with the Bitrex chart here, and surprisingly, it's actually a touch higher than the Binance price and the KuCoin price right now. So this is quite interesting. If we zoom in on the hourly here, you can see there's a lot less liquidity in this market. But for some reason, yeah, we're higher than the Binance chart. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out. Also, in terms of Bitcoin, Quant is doing extremely well, currently up 4.87%. So yeah, Quant, I call it the bear market destroyer for a reason. And here we are today, nearly everything's in the red, but Quant is fairly stable and doing its thing. We'll take a look at the Binance chart now against BUSD. I've got a couple of chart layouts here, so I just want to go through each of them. We'll zoom in on the 3-day chart here, and so if you're wondering how I got this, so I've drawn a trend line down here, and also this one here, and then also the parallel channel from the lows. And right now we're in a bit of a diamond shape, and we're getting very close to a conclusion here. So I think we break to the upside. A lot of it depends on Bitcoin, obviously. If Bitcoin can pump from here and get back above 19,000, that'll be good for Quant. But at the end of the day, Quant could still do its own thing. But I'm really liking this structure here. Yes, there's a bit of a potential here for a shoulder head shoulder. So we have to keep that in mind. If we break below this trend line here, so 100 is a key level at the moment. But I think if we break and close below these EMAs, you've got the 8, the 21, and the 50 EMA here. If we can close below that, then that would be a very negative sign, and I would anticipate more downside for QNT. But right now we're holding above it, so I'm staying bullish here, and I'm expecting us to at least tap 113 this weekend. Possibly we could pump a bit like XRP did yesterday and get back up to this 100 EMA at about 129. So that's the upside targets, and our stop loss for this trade is between 87 and 90. So we've got strong support here from the January lows, and also that was the low from the 4th of September this year. So crucial level here, 87. If we break that, then yeah, we're going a lot lower, and we have a golden ratio target here, down here at 66.8. So keeping an eye on that. Looking at we'll go back to the Bitrex chart. And go back to the weekly. And as you can see, very solid uptrend here. Okay, parallel channel, we're still doing well. Ignore this. That's basically the target if we break the inverse shoulder head shoulder here. So golden ratio here at 258. It's a long shot, I know. But if we're going to be nimble in these markets, we can definitely target this 132 area here. But there is that big potential here. If we get a big rally in the crypto markets, yeah, Quant will definitely outperform here. So I'm liking this structure here. We're still bullish and definitely buy the dips in QNT. Alright, I'm going to wrap that up and see you in the next QNT update.